no debate arises. This settles that third issue. The fourth issue, honorable members, is the issue on timelines envisaged in Article 149(1) of the Constitution. You'll observe that the Article 149 of the Constitution defines the period the President is required to nominate a person to fill the vacancy in the office of the President, office of the Deputy President, which is within 14 days after vacancy in the Deputy President arises. The National Assembly is then required to vote on the nomination within 60 days after receiving it. Honorable members, from the foregoing, Article 149(1) of the Constitution defines the maximum period within which the President and the National Assembly are required to act. To this end, the President can nominate a person to fill for the day from the first day of the vacancy arises up to the nominate a person to fill the vacancy for the first day from the first day of the vacancy arises up to the 14th day. On its part, the National Assembly is required to vote on any day from the first day it receives a nomination up to the 60th day after receipt of the nomination. Consequently, the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki, EGH, and the vote the House is required to take today on the nomination is within the constitutional timeline provided for in Article 149(1) of the Constitution. This settles that fourth issue. The fifth and final issue that was raised was guidance on the threshold for voting under Article 149.